Do it all in one. This versatile product functions as an air fryer, rotisserie spit, oven, and dehydrator, perfect for nearly any rapid cooking or baking task. Make healthy fries with less or no oil for that perfectly crispy and tasty, roast a whole chicken, or dehydrate that leftover produce you've been meaning to eat. Cooking simplified. This multifunctional air fryer cooks faster than a traditional oven and does not require preheating, helping you achieve a healthy, crispy, fried finish using at least 98% less oil than traditional fryers. The capacitive touch control screen display is easy to use and 17 preset options make any kitchen task easy, from frying and roasting to dehydrating and baking. Superior convenience. Interior lighting allows you to easily watch your food as it cooks. Accessories include 3 airflow racks, stainless steel rotisserie spit and forks, stainless steel rotating basket, retrieval tool, and drip tray. Removable drip tray and dishwasher-safe parts make cleaning a breeze. Perfect for a crowd, extra guests, or just extra hungry. Either way, this air fryer was thoughtfully designed with the whole family in mind. The spacious 10-liter unit allows you to make plenty of food so you can make enough food for the whole family right on your countertop, without having to heat up your oven. Resources. CETL approved with advanced safety technology for long-lasting durability, 1-year assurance provided by Chefman, so you can purchase worry-free, we've got your back. For information on how to use your product, scroll down for a PDF user guide. 120 volts, 1700 watts, RJ3810R/DOV2. Top reviews from the United States. Saves time in the kitchen and very user-friendly. We were initially looking for an air fryer, but this model also offers rotisserie. It can handle up to 4 pounds of chicken. We have tried it a few times and it is easy to mount the chicken and it cooks very well all the way to the center. It also comes with a mini book of recipes for creative things to try with the air fryer. Love the purchase and it really helps make meal prep go faster.